Hello guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. My name is Beatrice, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix no sound problem on Google Chrome. Yeah, so maybe you try to play some videos on your Google Chrome, but it's not giving and not making any sound, so you actually want to fix that. I'm going to show you how to fix that. Yeah, so first thing, you open your Chrome and be on the home page. Okay, and click on this home right here. Click on the three dots on your screen and click on settings. Click on settings, go down to sites, settings, and scroll down to see sound right here. So make sure your sound is being allowed and you are good to go. So with that, you just turn on your sound on your Google Chrome. Yeah, and it's going to have some sound, right? If this guide was helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.